You're not going to have a lot of squatting room.
No. Oh, I can smell the chips.
What are we generally feeling about Up for Grabs now, ladies?
Then I'm going to have to remortgage the house. I mean, if you were hopping into your sports car, a bit of this with it too. Got all the cashmere to... What was the topic today? One ear and out the other.
I'm really quite breathlessly excited about them.
There's a park beside the Range Rovers and my 12-year-old van.
Hello everyone, it's Monday morning. Taking a different route to work today because we are going to see our new premises, potentially. I'm not sure how set in stone it is yet, but I just thought I would explain now because I feel like there won't be time when we get there.
You're really keen on them, aren't you?
Yeah, it's really crop me in the trousers. I could do the pet though.
Oh, nice. Well, that's nice, Colleen.
Yeah.
Do a bit of shopping while we're here.
You'll have this, and you just go ping, and you'll say, oh, that's Mrs. Smith from Doodle, it'll come up on your system.
Well, there's plumbing down at that end.
You're not going to have a lot of squatting room.
No, that's my good thing.
Scotty room.
Well, you know what I mean?
We're not
Because
liking
you make,
that expression on a Monday morning.
but you make
I know,
more,
I know.
don't you?
So what are you looking for?
A tiny button for this cardigan. The button was cracked. And mine new. We keep, these have come off cardigans that we've recycled. There's got to be a match. I might have to resort to Granny's buttons in. Here we go.
I found one.
Oh yeah.
It's a good
Very
match,
good,
isn't it?
yeah.
I have a customer in the shop. She's a regular customer. She comes maybe once a year and buys quite a lot of cashmere. She's got a glove with a hole in. So I just thought I'd quickly do it for her. She's had a go herself and hasn't done a successful job, so I said I'd just try it.
Do you feel under pressure?
I do feel slightly better in the shop. Right, I'm going to sit down.
You mean business?
The main business, exactly. It's not going to be the easiest. Just going round the corner, around the edge of it. There isn't a corner, to secure it a bit before I start repairing. Notice we use thread, not cashmere. Just not tough enough for a repair, and it's quite bulky, particularly on the finger here. Occasionally have a little go with it just to see
If it's changed.
if it's changed, exactly, to see, sort of feel one ought to be able to do it. I'm also using double thread, which I don't normally do, but because of where it is, I think I need to just to secure it. That's the best I can do in the time and out.
Oh, that's
Best
amazing.
I can do.
Thanks, that's great. No, because my knitting was so bad. Yeah, thanks.
I think
that's
it'll
amazing.
hold. Yeah. We have put a jumper up online and we photographed it back to front.
Oh.
Isn't very clever. It's a tricky stand. I couldn't work out. Danielle looked great and everything. Just texted Pip and she said, have it on back to front. That's why it's looking all weird and puckered. So it's online. I'm going to take it off. I don't know what was going on.
Oh.
That's obviously the front.
Yeah.
And that's obviously the back.
They managed that.
And let's
dear.
take it offline before people think we've completely lost our marbles. I've got to go and look at a premises this afternoon.
The different one. Oh, the temporary one.
The temporary one. See if we can squeeze ourselves in. Can't manage in this confined space. A moment longer than we have to. That Gabby's been and gone, I take it.
Yeah.
She'll be heading to choir, which is where I should be on Friday morning, but...
Oh, really? I've never known you to go.
I was out before, near Jervo. Could go there.
There was some, we went with Danielle just up the road and there's like a track and like loads of logs at the
We did
side.
logs.
The logs.
Yeah. Oh, there's that. Yeah, go there then. Right, off we go again. More public humiliation. You know, I'm guessing a bit past caring, which is dangerous.
I know.
Isn't it?
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to have a massive sort out of my clothes. Put some things on for work this morning. Looked in the mirror. Said to Michael, I'm not sure these trousers are doing much for me, and I didn't get a reply, so I took that as a no, they're not. So I'm going to sort out my clothes.
Do you have a policy if you haven't worn for 6 months or something?
I
then
do.
They move on.
I do, unless it's occasion wear.
Yeah.
I'd like to build like a capsule wardrobe, but need to do it.
Amy is a really good capsule wardrobe person. She's done it with all of us.
Actually.
She'll get all your stuff on your bed. She hangs them
Yeah,
up with things
I don't
that
know what I need.
you wear them with. Yeah, you should get her to go
Yeah,
and
you
help
need like
you.
different options, don't
Yeah.
you?
What do you do, Pip?
I've got far too much as well. I need to sort through, but
And I have actually just put stuff on eBay last week, yes. A semi-clear out, but I need to do more. Then I pick things out and I still like them. And it goes back in and then I still don't wear it. Doing anything nice at the weekend, Pip? Let's hear about Pip's weekends. They're always more exciting.
Oh, I'm going to Harrogate. I am going to Harrogate tomorrow with 3 friends. We're going to lunch at the Ivy.
Oh, are you?
Look at you.
We do a very affordable lunch menu, actually. Because it's the bistro Ivy, so it's not the posh Ivy. So it's really nice. It's always nice, always great food, great service. So we're going for a couple of hours there.
I got this jumper on Depop.
How much was that?
Expensive. But I got
What
it
make
ages
is
ago.
it?
Versace.
The Flash guy. What about, we were talking earlier, Guy, about sorting out our wardrobes and only having things that we wear. Perhaps we might like to consider.
But then what do you do with the clothing that you don't wear?
You sell on Depop or you
Make
get
a
to
profit.
charity shop, yeah.
I did that a while ago. I've just sold some things on Depop. So actually I'm ahead of the game, mate.
Windy out there. Ooh, it's lunchtime, everyone. Oh, I can smell the chips.
Bramble. Hello.
That's the cake, I think. Oh, a road chip. And actually, that's the pulled pork, Guy. Oh,
Burger and chips.
we've got chips everywhere.
Thank you.
We're all chipped out.
Vegan. Wow.
Darling, don't give a chip.
Well,
Wow.
Friday treat.
Wow, look at that cheese. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm on orders duty. Guy's not feeling well this morning. Monday morning, it's always the busiest morning of the week.
How many orders have we got?
We're 26. Emails from the weekend, which is normally a Guy job. Not a good day to be ill, Monday. Got a meeting at 2 o'clock because we need to decide about, for those of you who come in here, you'll know that we're bulging at the seams and we've been looking for new premises. We've got a couple of options and we need to decide. One is splendid and we'd all like to be there, but it's off our patch. It's a drive away. The one that's closer is a bit of a compromise. It's not quite as perfect, but it's just around the corner. We need to decide.
What are you doing, Pip?
Customer jumpers here that have had repairs and things done, so I'll be sorting those out. So just answering a few customer queries. There's a new pile of cutout. Oh right, this is what you've spent your weekend doing. What are you up to, Charlotte?
I need to do the email for today. Just getting rid of the last up for grabs bits, as some people haven't paid when they said they wanted it, so they've changed their mind.
How
But
annoying
some
is
other
that,
people-
Charlotte?
It's quite annoying when people get angry with you for not getting something.
Yeah.
Anyway, a lot of people are happy about it.
What are we
so
generally feeling about up for grabs now, ladies? In the cold light of day.
we have to do it differently. I think it was fine the first time because there wasn't so much.
Weren't so many
desire.
people.
Yeah.
One of the things we need to do is communicate more clearly the raffle element of it.
Yeah, the first come, first served isn't going to really
No, because you wouldn't get in a strop if you didn't win a raffle prize, would you? But they were getting in a strop when they didn't get it. We didn't feel it was our finest hour, did we, on reflection?
Well,
we
did
thought
at
we
the
did at the time. We thought we'd done really well,
Yeah,
but it was
so
the flack we
organised.
got afterwards. So
Great.
I think it might mean names in the virtual hat next time, mightn't it?
Yeah.
So that they
Yeah.
really do understand that it's a raffle.
That's it.
And I'm going to have to remortgage the house.
How much do you want for things like that? You'll have to think about it, won't you?
I'll be fair.
Yeah.
I'll offer a sum for the
Mm.
collection, which will be
Right.
running into hundreds of pounds.
She said, can we acknowledge receipt of the
Yeah.
email and when we
Yeah,
get
just
them?
say we're really looking forward to seeing them, and we'll offer the best price we can. We'll go from there. Might not be able to get rid of them all. Might not be able to sell them. Might need to own them for a while.
Keep them. What was that, Pip, then?
Some beautiful designer silk scarves that are being offered to us for sale. We were just having a little
Vintage
look
designer.
at what's coming our way, and they're fabulous. Gucci, Yves Saint Laurent, and lovely things like that.
That's exciting.
No, the box is just lovely, isn't it? I've got to go through them all, but they're very well catalogued.
Wow, look at that.
I know, just gorgeous. I think those are Gucci.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Aren't they just beautiful? I'm not quite sure. What do you do with them? Just wear them as normal, or do you wear them over your head?
Isn't it
Look at the
gorgeous?
design of the little people on it.
what's that?
That's a Hermes scarf. I hope you still haven't got chocolate spread on your fingers. I've had a Gucci before. Look at the colours of that. There's a boxed Jacquemart and a boxed Yves Saint Laurent.
You got a Christian, you got
A Christian
Dior.
Dior, yeah.
Oh.
If I was not budgetary constrained, you'd have something like this to deal with when I die.
I wouldn't be complaining. Well,
And you may
I wanna
still.
see Gucci one.
Yeah, don't speak too soon.
It's got a bit of a stain on it. Oh, You're gonna have it now.
50 quid. It's a rather lovely old box.
Yeah.
Looking like it's 1950s, do you think? It's before postcodes are in full. It's just London SW. This parcel must not be opened up to any messenger unless a printed order is produced. Just beautiful, beautiful colours.
So these are the ones we were excited about the other day, weren't they?
Yeah.
We were excited to get them.
One or two. I mean, they're all just lovely. They're just lovely to see, actually. Beautiful size, though. Look
Oh
at
wow.
that.
Huge.
Yeah.
How would you even wear that?
You could wear it almost on a summer's evening
shawl.
if you just needed something over your shoulders. Wear it like that, couldn't you?
It's really nice.
It's also, well, there's lots of, they're just such flexible things. I mean, if you were hopping into your sports car, it's going to look terrible, but you could do a bit of this with it too.
Yeah.
I think I look more Queen than who's that famous actress from the 1950s that used to wear
Audrey Hepburn, yeah.
Yes, I think I'm looking more HRH.
It is. It feels smaller, is it just me?
I think it's smaller. He said it was transit sized.
It's not as tall, I don't think.
Cool.
You had to like...
Very exciting nonetheless.
You're going to take it for a drive?
I'm feeling like complete again now that I've got a van. I did not enjoy not having a van. I'm ready to rock and roll. It's definitely smaller. Probably okay despite that. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
2 doors for reels.
Don't blimey, how do you shut the bloody door?
It's not just stiff, is it? No.
Have the phone on.
Good morning, everyone. Monday morning.
We're a bit frazzled this morning. Pip didn't have a great start to the day, did you? There was no coffee here when you got
Oh no.
No coffee.
It was a coffee disaster.
What's the first thing?
We had to go to the lockup. That was
Oh,
the
that's
pain.
right, yeah. No cashmere.
The cashmere in the building.
to wash. And Guy's gone skiing, and that was his job. The lockup's horrible as well, isn't it? It's a storage unit on a farm.
Yes, it is. It's a bit of a dirty and miserable job. Job was done, and we're all up and running again now.
The machine's going full tilt. I've got about 800 jumpers to price. That's about 8 days' work. Don't know how I'm going to do that.
You've got different glasses on today.
Oh, these are my
They're your spare
reserve
ones.
glasses. Oh, thank you. Those are my spares. Oh yeah, so I'm doing the orders. I've got all the cashmere to... Oh, seems to be an awful lot happening. We know that we're now doing a pop-up, so we need to sort of organise things for that in London. It's a month away. What else is happening this week? Pip seems to be inundated with customer repairs.
Of customer washes, repairs. Nice big hole in that one, look.
Oh my gosh.
Repair.
No cleaner at the moment, so we started today with some aerobic cleaning, jogging around with the vacuum cleaner. Everyone's feeling a bit frazzled because there's too much to do and not enough time to do it. Oh, we've got people coming in for
We have
interviews.
actually in about 10 minutes.
The thing about new people is,
Got her a bit of a mess for people to come in.
well, they might as well see the real us. We are basically all doing as much as we can and more, aren't we? What are you up to then, Charlotte?
The email's going out at 1, and the email's actually about some creators that we're working with this week, which is quite exciting. So they're going to be doing some reels, some videos for us that you'll see on Instagram if you follow us. Yeah, I have my apprenticeship course, which is quite interesting.
What was the
Sounded quite
topic
interesting.
today? It's gone in one ear and out the other.
Analytics. So it was analytics, so like it's just quite convenient because it was about campaigns. When you do a campaign,
Oh, we're doing a campaign.
measuring how it's successful, like what do we want to gain from it. It's usually sales and Instagram followers. Sent everyone a UTM link so they can use that, and then we can track who comes to our website from them, which is
Excellent.
handy. We've officially got the scarves, don't we?
And we've negotiated a price for them. I'm really quite breathlessly excited about them.
Any luck with the van?
Oh, the van. I owned a
Van
van
went
for a
back.
day. I just realised it was too small after I'd had it for a day. Unfortunately, because I've bought a van from him before. He was very kind and took it back, and we're waiting for a bigger one. Pip's a van owner, aren't you, Pip?
I am a van owner, yeah. Nice camper van owner, which is looking forward to coming out when the sun comes out.
Not looking like a day for
Camper
camper
van.
vanning today. It's hideous out there.
Something nice about driving a van.
You feel in charge of your life, don't you feel? You just think, got van, can do anything. if all else failed, I could sleep in it. I
True.
could move house in it. I could offer to help people move house. I just feel like the possibilities are endless if you're in a van. Also, I like the unexpectedness of it. As I turn up to somebody's smart dinner party and I'm in my white van. I do really like that. It's like reverse snobbery. I don't know why, but it really does thrill me.
Throws them off.
Yes, as I park beside the Range Rovers in my 12-year-old van.
There's your cookie stuff. Go ahead, Bramble. Come here, try the scarf. Good. Yeah, look at that. Let's try it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that looks nice. Do you think, Bramble?
Oh,
That looks really
what's
nice.
that?
There you are.
Bramble thinks. Good girl. That's really good news.
Yeah.
But it gets us out of here. So this whole lot will go up to the farmhouse and this will become cashmere processing only and photographing models. And the first phase of the new building will be ready, I said 6 months.
Really?
And then the second phase will be ready when the lease is up here and then we'll move everything.
Wow.
We bought a load of navy hoodies which are great from the mill in Scotland and they didn't have any ties in them. See, I'm buying remaindered stock or cancelled orders. So we've got cashmere ties, cashmere bootlaces that have come from Italy, actually almost as much as the jumpers. However, I think what we will end up with quite a nice contrasting grey tie on a navy men's hoodie, and we'll be able to get them up for sale, which we've had them sitting in the cupboard waiting to resolve this. So I'll show you when I've done it. I think that looks nice.
Very nice.
They're actually a nice quality, which is good to say, given that they were a fortune.